The second on-demand module that we will be offering has to do with regulation of gene therapies and the challenges associated with regulation of, and commercialization of those technologies. Firstly, from a technical perspective, gene therapy is a very complex area for which the various technical aspects, including delivery of genes into patients, as well as how they were absorbed by cells within individual patient bloodstreams. There's a lot of scientific discovery associated with that, and some recent discoveries have enabled us to more efficiently introduce new genes of interest into patients to replace genes that were either damaged either during their lifetime or damaged genes that they inherited through birth. So the gene therapy module will talk about not only current regulations surrounding commercialization of gene therapy in the United States, but also the clinical endpoints that are used during design of clinical trials to assess whether or not these technologies are safe and effective for use in human and clinical populations. The other important aspect that this module will address is reimbursement. So as many of you may be aware, some gene therapies were recently approved by the Food and Drug Administration, but the unfortunate part is that these have a list price often close to $1 million or more. The latest one, Luxturna, has a list price of over $2 million. So one of the current topics of debate is, okay, it's great that we have these technologies and they're safe and effective for human use, but finding patients that are actually able to pay for these technologies can be problematic, and it's challenging from a market access and an insurer's perspective to figure out ways in which these therapies can be used cost effectively.